Looking for the best portable welding machine for home repairs, DIY projects, or professional metal fabrication? In this video, we compare 5 of the best inverter welders for 2026. Featuring IGBT inverter technology, dual voltage support, MMA, MIG, TIG compatibility, and compact portable designs, these welding machines deliver reliable performance for beginners, hobbyists, and professional welders. Number 5. Dual Voltage Portable Mini MMA Arc Welder. Compact and easy to carry, this dual voltage MMA arc welding machine supports both 110V and 220V power sources for maximum flexibility. Powered by efficient IGBT inverter technology, it offers stable welding performance for home repairs, DIY fabrication, farm maintenance, and light industrial applications. Its lightweight construction and user-friendly controls make it an excellent choice. Number 4. 300A Arc MMA IGBT Inverter Welding Machine. This 300A Arc MMA inverter welder delivers powerful welding performance with advanced IGBT technology and dual voltage compatibility. Designed for welding steel, iron, and other ferrous metals, it provides stable arc ignition, efficient energy usage, and reliable operation. Its portable design makes it ideal for construction sites, workshop fabrication, equipment maintenance, and home repair projects. Number 3. 2-in-1 MIG/MMA Inverter Welder. Designed for versatility, this 2-in-1 inverter welder supports both MIG gas-shielded welding and MMA stick welding for a wide range of metalworking applications. Featuring efficient IGBT technology and stable direct current output, it provides smooth welding performance for steel fabrication, equipment repairs, and DIY projects. Its compact construction makes it suitable for workshops, garages. Number 2. Zelda 4-in-1 TIG/MIG/MAG/MMA Welding Machine. The Zelda 4-in-1 inverter welder combines TIG, MIG, MAG, and MMA welding capabilities in one versatile machine. Compatible with 0.8 to 1 mm MIG wire, it delivers excellent flexibility for automotive repair, metal fabrication, home maintenance, and professional welding applications. Its portable design, advanced inverter. Number 1. Portable Mini MMA/Arc IGBT Inverter Welder. This portable MMA/arc welding machine features advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable arc performance and efficient power delivery. Supporting both 110V and 220V input, it is ideal for welding steel, iron, and other common metals in home workshops, garages, and job sites. Its lightweight, compact design makes transportation easy, while its dependable performance is perfect. These 5 portable welding machines provide excellent performance, portability, and versatility for home users and professionals. Whether you need a compact MMA welder, a multi-process TIG/MIG/MAG machine, or a powerful inverter welder for fabrication and repairs, these models offer dependable welding performance and outstanding value.